I'm having too much fun now. Let's hunt for some surprise toys in this colourful landscape of Play-Doh eggs. Starting off with the purple egg.
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Bacon Smurf. Wonder if he's cooked anything yummy. Give the video a thumbs up if you've watched the Smurfs before. Who might be in the blue surprise?
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Sully from Monsters University. Who's your favourite Monsters Uni character? Comment below the best Monsters character is and tell me. Bring the next surprise choice.
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's a My Little Pony. You do know who it is? Shout out to one of Having Too Much Fun's great subscribers, Brohoods are awesome. He will know. He knows it's MLP. Can you work it out? Comment below the MLP is and tell me. Up next, let's check out the pink Play-Doh surprise egg.
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Kissy Moshling from Moshi Monsters. Let's try yellow.
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Patrick from Spongebob. The orange egg could be hiding someone special.
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Luigi from Disney Pixar's Cars 2. I'm having too much fun now. Thanks for watching. Have you added me to Google Plus yet? Subscribe to the channel and then click playlist to watch more.